What do alkenes have in common? Key in your answer and click the check button when you are done. They all have double bonds. The double bonds make them more chemically reactive. Let's learn about the chemical properties of alkene. Click the blinking button. Observe what is produced when an alkene is burnt. Based on the activity shown in the video clip, answer these questions. Key in your answer and click the check button when you are done. Like any organic molecule, alkene burns in plenty of oxygen to form carbon dioxide and steam. However, because they have a higher percentage of carbon in their molecules than alkanes, they burn with sootier flames. Click the blinking button. Butene reacts with hydrogen at 180 degrees Celsius with the presence of nickel as catalyst. Which carbon-carbon bond will react with hydrogen molecule? Well done! Based on the molecular structure given, answer these questions. Click the blinking button. Let's take a look at what will happen to bromine water if pentene is added to it. Watch this video. Now, answer this question. Key in your answer and click the check button when you are done. When pentene is added to bromine water, the brown color of bromine is decolorized immediately and a colorless liquid is formed. Which carbon-carbon bond will react with bromine molecule? Well done! This additional reaction is called bromination. Bromine water reacts with pentene to produce 1,2-dibromopentane. Now key in the chemical equation for bromination of pentane. What will happen when pentene is added to chlorine? Watch the video. Now, answer this question. Key in your answer and click the check button when you are done. When pentene is added to chlorine solution, the yellow color of chlorine is decolorized immediately. Which carbon-carbon bond will react with chlorine molecule? Well done! This reaction is called chlorination. Pentene reacts with chlorine to produce 1,2-dichloropentane. Now, key in the chemical equation for chlorination of pentene. Click the blinking button. Observe the animation of the reaction between ethene and hydrogen chloride. What can you see? Based on the animation and equation given, can you name the compound? Choose an answer from the drop-down menu and click the check button when you are done. Now, observe the animation of the reaction between ethene and hydrogen bromide. Observe the animation of the reaction between ethene and hydrogen iodide. Based on the animations, what can you conclude? Complete the sentence by dragging the best answer to the appropriate spaces. Click the check button when you are done. Alkene reacts with hydrogen halides at room temperature to produce haloalkanes. Click the blinking button. Alkenes do not react with water under ordinary conditions. However, it can happen when alkene reacts with steam in a specific condition. Let's find out. Drag the indicator to the most suitable condition and then click the On button. Based on the activity shown, answer these questions. Key in your answer and click the check button when you are done. Well done!
Well done!
An alkene reacts with steam in the presence of phosphoric acid as a catalyst at 300 degrees Celsius and 60 atmospheres to produce an alcohol. Key in the chemical reaction between pentane and steam. Click the blinking button. Let's take a look at what will happen to acidified potassium manganate 7 if ethene is added to it. Watch this video. Now, answer this question. Key in your answer and click the check button when you are done. When alkenes react with acidified potassium manganate 7 solution, the purple color of potassium is decolorized and a colorless liquid is formed. This additional reaction is called oxidation. Acidified potassium manganate 7 reacts with ethene to produce ethane 1,2-diol. Diol is a saturated alcohol with 2 hydroxyl groups on adjacent carbon atoms. Now, key in the chemical equation for oxidation of ethene. Click the blinking button. Predict and click the minimum temperature and pressure for these ethane molecules to react with each other. Click the check button when you are done.
Try again.
The polymerization of alkene takes place at temperature of 200 degrees Celsius and under a pressure of 1,500 to 2,000 atmospheres.